Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the S23 Ultra, and here's another very useful tip for you all. In this one I'll be showing you how you can turn down the screen brightness past the limiter. Okay, so it's real simple to do. Just pull down the notifications and go into the settings, and then scroll down all the way down to where it says accessibility. And then select visibility enhancements, and then scroll down to where it says extra dim. And by default, extra dim is off. So at the moment, my screen brightness is turned all the way up. However, when I turn it down all the way down to as far as it can go, the screen has got a lot dimmer, but it can still get dimmer, guys. So just turn on extra dim, and as you can see, the screen has got a tiny little bit dimmer, but that's still not it, guys. It can get dimmer. So where it says intensity, just turn the slider all the way up, and as you can see, guys, the screen is pitch black. You really have to struggle to see what's on there. So I'd keep it at about halfway. If you're an old person and you like to watch movies at night, or you like to read books and you struggle with brightness, I'd keep it somewhere between here. Okay, and that's still not it, guys. There's still some more settings. Okay, so if you select this option here, extra dim shortcut, let me just turn up the brightness a little bit so you can get a better look. So if you select extra dim shortcut and turn it on, down here you'll get a little shortcut button, this little guy here, and you can just use it to turn it on or off, as you can see there. And then if you select the extra dim shortcut here, it brings up some more options. So if you don't want the little guy as the shortcut, you can switch it to this option here. Press and hold volume up and down keys for 3 seconds. So this is the volume up and down. Just press and hold it for 3 seconds, and it will bring up the option use volume keys for accessibility. Press and hold both keys for 3 seconds to use extra dim, so you can select to either use it or don't use it. Or you can change it to this option here. Press side and volume up keys. So you'd press the volume up and the volume up keys. So you'd press the side and volume up keys. So volume up and side key. Just press it once like that. And then you can either select don't use or use. So let's just select use. And now when I press volume up and side key, as you can see, it gets dim. So that means it's on. Press it again, it's off. Press it again, it gets brighter. Press it again, it gets dim. And then there's this option here, and you can select actions, or you can select the little guy there to be on the navigation bar, like I showed you earlier, or you can select floating over apps. And then there's some more setting options there. But yeah, this was just a very helpful tip for you all, how to make the screen extra dim past the limiter. Anyway, That's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. I'm out. Deuces.